Okay, let's make a move then. Jakey! Happy Halloween! Hey! Yeah! It's your first Halloween.
Outside.
Outside. And he's an
Aviator.
aviator.
A great idea by Priscilla.
That's me.
And cost effective.
Oh yeah. Frugal. Nene. Okay, Jake, let's go see Grandma. Look at the mess you make around. Bye, Jake. Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao. Ciao.
That's how he says ciao.
Yeah, that's his way. Ciao.
Come on.
Ciao, Jake. Look, mommy. Fala tchau pra mamãe. Fala. Yeah.